Hi there, welcome back Dana Sam YouTube channel. So basically in this video I will discuss you one of the best topic in 2024. If you want to come in digital marketing industry, you are thinking you want to come in digital marketing industry in 2024, and you have just finished you have just finished your graduation, and you want to come in digital marketing industry. So basically in this video I will tell you how you can come in digital marketing industry as a fresher, and in basically I was thinking yesterday, I have to create the one of the video on that this topic, because whenever we are a fresher, we have this kind of fear our mind, how we should start our career in any field, not digital marketing. So right now I'm recording this video just because for you, because when I was a fresher I have same doubt, I had a same doubt how I should start my career in digital marketing industry. I don't had enough idea about the digital marketing industry. I was looking I was looking one of the guidance anyone, but I was very afraid that time, but so that's why I'm recording this video. Basically in this video I will discuss if you recently done your graduation and you're just thinking how I can start my digital marketing career. So basically I will tell you how you can start in digital marketing in this career in 2024. I will tell you first step, and after that the roadmap will be ahead of your face. So basically if I talk about the total question is how to learn digital marketing in 2024. So basically in this question, in this video I will discuss you 4 points, step by step, and each and in this point I will make sure I will share detailed information about the digital marketing industry. I have writing 4 points on my notebook, because as usual I cannot memorize everything on my mind. So that's why I have to write, I have to do lots of research to make the video on any kind of specific question, any kind of specific topic, and make the point, make the vital point, needful point, how I can share my points with you, and how I can clarify every point in this in the video. So that's why I have to write each and every point in the on the notebook, and let's start. If I talk about the first point in this video, the first point is what is digital marketing. So to be honest, if you are a beginner and you are pretty confused about what is digital marketing, so I will let you know. The digital marketing is a kind of communication, how you can communicate with your audience via internet. Like the digital marketing same as that door-to-door marketing. We have to sell the product. We have in both marketing industry, but in this field we have the one of the advantage, we don't go outside the office, we need to have the internet accessibility, and we have to sell our product via the internet, things like Facebook, Google Ads, and SEO. So this is a basic introduction of about the digital marketing. If you want to know more about the digital marketing industry, so to be honest, I have already uploaded one of the deep video on my YouTube channel. You can watch that video, and you can know everything about the digital marketing industry, how I can start my digital marketing career, and how I knew how I did my digital marketing certificate. So I have discussed each and every point on that video. You should watch that video and know about everything about the digital marketing industry. And if I talk about the second point, why is digital marketing booming up in 2024? Like so if I talk about why digital marketing booming up, because I just I'm giving you one example. If you go somewhere in like outside India, in India, so which thing you have? You just have only mobile. mobile accessibility. So that's why digital marketing moving on, because we have the mobile accessibility in internet. One of the biggest weapon right now, internet. We can sell our product, which we can sell our product via the internet for our user. So that's why digital marketing moving up, because if internet will be increased, so digital marketing also increase, because the digital marketing completely depend on the internet. If we don't have the internet, so we cannot do digital marketing. So that's why digital marketing moving up, because right now we are using 5G in India, and in the future we will be use 6G and 7G. So that's why digital marketing moving up, because it is a platform where we can connect easily with our audience, our niche related audience, our targeted audience. Because if I talk about the door-to-door marketing, outdoor marketing, so we don't have the control how we can see our advertisement with to proper audience. Like if I have the one of the product, I want to only see my product before that 18 age customers, so I cannot do that in that marketing platform. But in digital marketing we can do that. That's why digital marketing booming here. If I talk about the third points, how to learn digital marketing in 2024. So basically I have made 2 points. First is a free and second is paid. So first of all I will discuss free. If you are a good self learner, like you have done BTech, yeah, you have done BCom, BSc in computer science. So to be honest, you should learn digital marketing very easily via internet. I will tell you top 3 YouTube channel where you can learn digital marketing very easily. Is completely free of cost. You don't need and pay to any kind of money for that this YouTube channel. Basic understanding, and after that you can get easily internship in any company. So if I talk about the first YouTube channel, WSQ, it is one of the biggest YouTube channel on YouTube channel right now. If you want to learn anything in related to IT field, so you should go with this YouTube channel, because I have also learned lots of things by this YouTube channel. To be honest, this is my personal suggestion. When I was a fresher, it was the one of the YouTube channel which I was looking every day. To be honest, I was watching every day, like digital marketing, Google Ads, content marketing, lots of things I was watching every day, because this YouTube channel have the lots of content. If I talk about the one of the second biggest YouTube channel, Yumastaski. To be honest, if you want to just need to learn about the digital marketing, so you should select this one, because it is one of the biggest YouTube channel, digital marketing YouTube channel. Basically this channel only have the digital marketing content. So if you want to come in digital marketing industry, you don't have the good amount of budget, yeah, in nil budget, so you should choose this YouTube channel, because this YouTube channel only have the digital marketing content. If I talk about the third one, sanitary we run ad. If you are a good listener, you can learn you can listening English very easily, so learn understand English very easily, so you should go this YouTube channel. This basically, if you want to make your career in paid media like Google Ads or social media, so I will suggest you should choose this YouTube channel, because this YouTube channel have the lots of content about the paid media. So if I talk about the second thing, paid course. So we have the 2 types of paid courses. The first one is course, and second one is diploma. The course will be around 2 year, 2 year. So if you have the good amount of budget, yeah, you have the good time bandwidth, so you can select the first one. You can do digital marketing. You can select MBA in any kind of college, and you can start your digital marketing career select as a digital marketing, and you can go with the course. If you don't have good time bandwidth, so you just need to select the digital marketing diploma, and you can start your digital marketing career as soon as possible. So if I talk about the fourth point in this video, how to get a job in digital marketing industry in 2024. To be honest, it is a very easy task. If you haven't done your digital marketing course, so you just need to make the very exclusive resume, and you have to upload that in this resume on the all job portals like LinkedIn, Naukri.com, and on the every job portal. Make sure you should have proper understanding about basic understanding about your core field, and core field you just need to schedule your interview and go there and discuss each and everything in deeply about your education background. So thank you so much. If you have any question regarding this video, so please put their question in the comment box. Yeah, if you want to make the video on their specific question, so please put their question in the comment box. Please like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.